impilo seyiyadula kwamatima kakhulu lana kuseSililo eJozi kanisitakhamuti letinyenti lana tikhala ngosolakala kwemisebenzi iparafini ikhuphuka nga4 emarandi kusukela kuqala lomnyaka bengu10.96 ilitha ngapha eMidvwane kanzinyalo ilitha ibita 15.02 eGauteng kepha lana kulendzawo letakhamuti tithi ibita 19 ilitha.
This increasing of paraffin for us is too much for us because 1 liter is costing something like 19 rand. It means a week I have to use something like 50 rand. And here I've got a small baby also by the house, needs porridge, milk, everything to bath. And we see we are going to winter. I don't even know when it's winter time how much the paraffin is going, because now it's not winter exactly. I don't know from May, June, July, August how much the paraffin is going to be increasing, because as the way we are suffering now, sometimes I don't even have what you call money to buy paraffin.
I-COVID-19 ishiyela abanyenti bangenalutho njengoba labanyenti balahlekelwa yimisebenzi nalokunyele batiphilisa ngako. Lo mcwaningi nkosinathi Majozi uthi impilo seyematima kakhulu kubantu labanyenti njengoba lemafutsa etimoto nawo iyakhula entsengo yawo lokuhwela ukuthi ematekisi nawo akhuphule imali yokugibela.
The brunt of those fuel increases is felt by mostly the majority of our poor and marginalized citizens, of which are Black and African people. For those peoples or Black South Africans who live in informal settlements and informal dwellings, who rely mostly on paraffin for cooking, for paraffin for lighting in their homes and so on.
Ilitha ya petrol iyokhuphuka ibe semkhathini kwa28 na 26 cents ilitha. Ilitha ye diesel iyokhuphuka ibe semkhathini kwa1.52 cents na 1.68 cents. Litho tetimbiwa lithi lokhu kungenxa loluswinyo lolunikwa live lase Russia